So for each of the product, if you want to go ahead and give a more detail, then you can add in a detailed description for each of the product, which they can click and view in their website. So here I'm in the editing section of the page in Strikingly. So I can click on manage products for that and go to the product where I want to go ahead and give a detailed description. So over here, once I go around over here, you can see that product page description is an option. So you can go ahead and click on show more detail on product page right here. You can even go ahead and add in an image related to the product right here. So let's just go ahead and add this in, and I'm going to go around over here and see, in this webinar, we will have special guests to improve your, let's say, for example, creativity right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and do that. And let me just go ahead and click on save. So once I do that, let me just go ahead and quickly publish to show you how this actually looks like right here. So once it gets published, if I were to go around and then see my site right here, this is the product we added in the detail in. So if I were to go ahead and click, you can see the image right here that I added in, and it's under more details, as you can see right here, and you can see the description we typed in right here. And now you can simply go ahead and make an order right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in more details on the product page inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.